Hi, this is the CROSSCALL Core M5 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store app because we should get first the Green Apple Keyboard application from the Play Store. Green Apple Keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app. Click to enable in settings and find the Green Apple keyboard. Click on the switcher and tap to activate twice. Then just go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished, and let's just check our new keyboard look. And we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.